Technologies LLP, founded in 2019 at Bangalore. It's being promoted by a group of technocrats having more than 25 years of experience with a global exposure in various industries like retail, merchandise and fixtures, industrial products, food, beverage and water, consumer appliances, and aerospace engineering. Since beginning, we have been using SolidWorks as a CAD software for our internal new product development projects as well as customer projects. Support from Conceptia has been very good and they are flexible to our needs. Being flexible to our needs is very important for any business to succeed as well as sustain. Regular training to our employees as part of the AMC has ensured we are updated towards the latest technologies. Great thing about SolidWorks CAD software is ease of use. It suits perfectly for developing new ideas and innovative designs. I have been using this for the last 20 years. Young engineers get productive in a very short period of time and also helps organization to better utilize their resources effectively.